I had a feeling that was gonna happen.
Oh, WWG59.
There it goes.
Charlotte Harbor and Pine Island Sound. Coastal waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood, Florida, about 20 nautical miles until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located over Gasparilla Island, moving west.
I knew it's gonna be a water spout.
Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Just before 9 p.m., broadcast media shared report of funnel cloud and possible waterspout associated with a storm over Charlotte Harbor.
Funnel cloud?
Waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create subway
Excuse
highways.
me?
Make sure all on board are in a secure location and
Funnel
wearing
cloud
life
with a
jackets.
special weather statement?
Expect wind gusts in excess
Oh,
of
special
34
weather.
knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours.
I have nothing to say.
Short. Just before 9 p.m., broadcast media shared a report of funnel cloud and
Move to safe harbor until a hazardous
over
weather.
Charlotte Harbor.
This may possibly be an iceberg. This better not go on land.
That is crazy.
Like, wow. Just wow.
That's crazy. Where's it for?
Charlotte Harbor and Bonita Beach to Englewood.
Charlotte Harbor.
And there's a freaking water spout. I know it.
Cloud and a water spout. What?
Uh-huh.
Feeling that was gonna happen too.
Yeah, that was seriously gonna happen with that.